1. Highly intelligent parrots are among the most intelligent birds. Some species, like the African gray parrot, can solve puzzles, use tools, and mimic human speech with remarkable accuracy. 2. Excellent mimics. Parrots can imitate human voices, environmental sounds, like ringtones or alarms, and even other animals. This ability comes from their advanced vocal learning skills. 3. Wide distribution. There are over 400 species of parrots, mostly found in tropical and subtropical regions like Central and South America, Australia, Africa, and Southeast Asia. 4. Colorful feathers parrots are famous for their bright and varied plumage, including shades of green, red, yellow, and blue. Their feathers are not just for show, they also help in camouflage in their native habitats. 5. Strong social bonds. Parrots are highly social animals. Many species mate for life and form strong bonds with their flock or with humans in captivity. 6. Specialized diet parrots eat a diet of seeds, fruits, nuts, and sometimes insects. They often have strong, curved beaks that help them crack open hard shells. Bonus, they need mental stimulation. In captivity, parrots can become bored or depressed without enough enrichment, such as toys, training, or interaction. Their intelligence requires mental engagement just like humans or primates.